Nano, Babo Kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga. Our featured business for today is probably not new to many of us. Probably you have seen their cakes or their sweets sa mga restaurants. The business I'm talking about today is Cremo Cakes by Justin Yabut. Probably on our early years ng Where in Pampanga, we have met Miss Justin and siyang isa sa mga nagmulat sa amin sa mga dream cakes na mga katulad nito. Yeah, we would like to thank Miss Justin for sending us these, you know what I'm saying, these lovely cakes, rolls, and what do we call this? Let's check them out one by one. I'm really excited because it's gonna be a delightful afternoon today. So let's start with the smallest, I guess. Yan, no? So, ang tawag nila dito is Choco Decadent. Choco Decadent. Choco Decadent. Wow. So, yung Choco Decadent nila, guys, is it has like mousse on top. And then, dun sa baba niya is an actual cake. If they call it like that. Sorry, I'm not a baker, pero ang tawag dito, obvious observation. So, like, it's like a mousse on top, and then, pero meron siyang cake sa baba. Wow! Next to taste is their vanilla Oreo. On top, again, it's like, meron siyang correct me if I'm wrong, Miss Justin. So, or all of you who are bakers. So on top is like it's like an icing mixed with Oreo, and then dun sa baba niya, let me just get a scoop. All right. So let me correct it. Meron siyang dalawang part dun sa cup. The upper level or the upper part one is like an icing mixed with bread cakes, and then yung lower part niya or yung bottom part is pure vanilla. Wow! I can't say siguro wow to the 100 level. But our third one is called Caramel Kit Kat. Caramel Kit Kat. Yeah. Let's taste it. Oh wow. Oh wow. So I think, how do I describe it, no? Kit Kat bars dito sa on top niya. You also have your parang cakes. Oh wow. Please bear with me. Hindi naman po talaga ako baker or anything. I just love to eat. And what a reward from Cremo Cakes. Actually, nauuso ngayon yung mga ube flavored anything dahil nagiging sikat na ngayon or nagiging trend. We have the ube Halaya rolls, and then we also have cinnamon Nuttela rolls. Wow! Parang nanghihinayang kang sirain yung appearance niya. Wow! This one, hindi ako nagsasawa or hindi ko nauumay. I think that's the word. Hindi ako nauumay dun sa tamis ng mga breads niya. Even the 3 cups here. Huh? Lastly to taste, guys. I think this is one of the product that made Cremo Cakes very popular. Choco Almond Decadent. Like I said, guys, last to taste is the Choco Almond Decadent. Taste it. Oh wow. Give me a second just to clap for Cremo Cakes. Ladies and gentlemen, If I have 3 hands, I'm gonna give 3 thumbs up. So, there you have it guys. Again, we would like to thank Cremo Cakes by Justin Yabut. If you like this video or if you want to give support to Miss Justin Yabut or the Cremo Cakes family, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and make sure to contact Cremo Cakes if you want your cakes delivered straight to your tables. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. As I always say, I'm still gonna enjoy this guys, and hope to see you on our next video. Cheers, bye-bye.